Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Alright, so round of applause for our birthday celebrant. Nanay Lia, congratulations and best wishes. Nay, you make your wish before you blow the candles. Okay, sige. Make a wish on your night, and then if you're ready, you blow the candle. Alright, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Nay. Okay, sige. So with that, let's hear our messages, birthday wishes from all of you. All of you. Some of you lang. You may take your seats. Thank you so much. Ano sudan?